Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos using Canva. Let's get started. First, gather your video files. Canva allows you to upload from your computer, Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, or Dropbox. You can begin by typing video in the search bar to access various templates. Alternatively, you can start with a blank canvas by scrolling down to the video thumbnail on Canva's homepage. Think of your videos in scenes. For example, let's make a video with 3 different scenes. Upload your clips, then arrange them in the desired order. Simply copy the grid to create multiple scenes and insert your videos. To adjust the duration of each clip, select the video, click on the scissors icon, and trim it to your desired length. For this example, I'm setting each scene to 5 seconds. If you want to add music, go to the music section in Canva. Choose from various genres to find something that fits your video's mood. Preview your video to see how it looks. Once you're satisfied, click on download and select the MP4 format to save your video. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.